Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a look at a pair of slip jigs. The first is Sir Phillip McHugh's and the second is the Leitrim Quickstep. I'm going to teach both tunes in two separate videos. I'll then do a play along video and I'll also do an advanced ornamentation and variations video for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And if there's any tunes you'd like to see taught on this channel, just drop a comment below. So as normal, I'll play the first tune at a regular speed so you can get a feel for it, get a listen to it. Then we'll break it down phrase by phrase, and at the end we'll play it slowly together. So here it is, Sir Phillip McHugh's. Let's get into that first phrase. Okay, let's have a look at the first notes. So long G, C natural, B, G, B, C natural, and just end on that A. Next phrase. Long B, D, C natural, A, G, long F sharp, D. Those two phrases together. Phrase 3 is a repeat. Phrase 4 is more or less a repeat. So rather than going lower or staying on that F sharp, we go to the G. So we miss out the G, go to the F sharp instead, and then finish on the G. So let's have the whole of the first line. 3, 4. Okay, that's the whole of the first part as it just repeats. Second part. Okay, so we've got a cluster around A, B, A, B, A. Then a chord arpeggio of D going downwards, which is A, F sharp, D, and then G, E, D to finish. Okay, next phrase. Almost a straight repeat, except for rather than going to the F, E, D, we go to a long G. And a B to set us up for the next phrase. Next phrase is the repeat of the first phrase. And then the last phrase is a repeat of the last phrase from the A part. So really easy tune. Let's have a look at that whole line. Okay, so you should have the tune underneath your fingers by now. So what we'll do next is I'll play it slowly for you and we'll play along together, and then I'll see you in the next video for the second tune in the set, the Leitrim Quickstep. So here we go after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great stuff. See you in the next one.